This is Sunscape LED's R2D3 setup tutorial part 3. Setting up your RIBU1C relay with your R2D3. Displayed in front of us is our R2D3 unit, our RIBU1C relay, and our mock dehumidification unit. As demonstrated here, we've taken our Cat5 cable and spliced open the end, exposing the brown twisted pair and the green twisted pair. These are going to be responsible from sending signal from your R2D3 unit through your RIBU1C to your dehumidifying unit. On the right hand side, we have a solid blue and a white and black striped cable, which are going to be capped off as they aren't used in this case. The yellow-white striped and the blue-white striped cable are for signal and are going to connect to a Cat5 cable going to the R2D3. The yellow and the orange cable power directly into the back of the dehumidifier. When connecting the orange and yellow power cables, make sure to reference the user manual of your dehumidifier, specifically the section on bypassing default control to 24 VAC signal control. Here we have a Cat5 cable, and on the inside you can see the various colors: brown, blue, green, and orange. In this case, we're going to cut off the blue and the orange, leaving just the brown and white and green and white twisted pairs. The brown and white and green and white twisted pairs are going to connect to the yellow and white and blue and white wires coming out of our RIBU1C. Displayed here is our dehumidifier 1 connected to the bottom of our R2D3 via Cat5 cable spliced into the bottom of the RIB controller shown here. On the back of your dehumidifying unit, you will have a control box which allows for the orange and yellow power cables to be connected. These should be capped off as they aren't used, and the Cat5 cable running to your R2D3 should be unobstructed. Here we have taken the faceplate off of the back of the control module and shown where the orange and the yellow power cables go into the back of your dehumidifier. And again, we show here that the blue cable and the black-white striped cable are going to be tied off as they aren't used. Note that in almost all cases you will need to enable the signal control bypass setting on the dehumidifier using some form of control interface such as screen and buttons. In the following diagram, the RIBU1C relay is shown with two arrows coming out of the top. These represent your solid blue and your black and white striped cords that are going to be capped off as they aren't used. On the bottom left, you see the green and green-white twisted pair as being connected to the white and blue cord coming out of your RIBU1C, and the brown-white twisted pair connects to the white-yellow COM cable coming out of your RIBU1C. Lastly, on the bottom right, you will see your yellow power cable is going from your RIB to the 24 VAC port in your dehumidifier, and the orange cable is going to the dehu port on your dehumidifier.